Hi you guys, welcome into Wellverse Creations. I am just creating a really fun little booklet that's going to go in the front of this beautiful journal that I'm working on. And this is called Journal. What I'd like to do first is glue these down. I went into Cricut Design Space and I just went into the images and I cut out some large tags out of cardstock. And I could have brought these images in, but sometimes I just like to glue and cut and paste. So that is what I'm doing here. So I'm going to put a little piece of lace on the outside of these, and then I'm going to stencil. I think I want it like about halfway, like that. Now I'm just going to put a little lace on the front of these because I'm done gluing down the paper. And for this, I'm just going to kind of lightly dot along here, and the lace will just kind of grab that. Okay, so I've got my papers glued on and my lace, and now I'm going to have fun with doing some stencils. What I did, I went into Cricut Design Space and I just cut these out on regular cardstock. I think I'm going to go in like that. I'm just going to secure it with washi tape. Okay, I've got a real tiny one, or I think I'm going to get her done. Let's do that. You guys are hearing my heater shut on and off outside. It is so loud, but man, am I thankful I've got one. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then what I'll do to kind of fix this little boo-boo, now I just want to go in with a little bit of this rose gold. It's pretty, but I think it's too much of the same thing. So probably what I'll do is let that dry and use some of the dark teal on that as well. Gosh, that's a pretty color though. Okay, let's let that dry and we'll add to it. Okay, so now I'm going to stencil the other side. Is gorgeous. On this one, let that one dry. They dry really fast, so that's the good news here. So pretty. So continuing on with this cute little insert that I'm going to put in the cover of this journal, I'm going to put this down in the middle. And I want it to fold. This is just a scrap piece of paper. Put this in here, then I've got my pages kind of bound with this little brad. And some of them I cut to be the same shape. Some of these I had cut for other purposes, so they have hold. That's such an easy fix. So I didn't reprint them and cut them. I just thought, I'll use that. And then I think this could even go through the middle of that, and then still this could be glued in place. This allows the cover to have this showing through. I think that's kind of cute. I'm going to put the pages in like so. And I am just using an awl to punch this through. Let's hope this brad is long enough. So you can see it poking through, and I'm just going to use this to kind of open the brad. Okay, so now we've got this cute little booklet with all these fun journaling opportunities. And we get to decorate. So I've got this little piece of lace here that I want to put across the top. Super cute. And then I want that little heart lace right here. So pretty. I've got this adorable little key. I love that. So I want to put that on here and then just pin it to the front. I love these little bulb-shaped safety pins. And a pearl. An adorable little key. That is so fun. It looks like a little heart. So cute. Another pearl. And another teal. Wasn't that easy? And it's just going to be so cute on here. Oh, I love that. It's super cute. Okay, so I have just tied a piece of string through here. I just kind of ran it through the middle, and I tied it kind of at the top. So I want to hang some beads off of here and just give this a little bit of a jeweled effect. Okay, let's go for that. So I'm just pushing them onto the thread. Okay, so now they're on there. And I can do the next one. So this is just a little poem I wrote. I'm going to use that as a text spot. He holds the key to my heart. I knew it right from the start. Jesus, his love did impart, of which I'll never depart. And that pertains to me because as a child, I was 5 years old. Jesus to come into my heart. And the pastor asked me, do you want to ask Jesus into your heart, into your life? So I said a prayer, and I asked Jesus for forgiveness, and I invited him in, and I committed to live my life for him. And so I have been doing that. I love Jesus still after all these years. He is my best friend, and he is also my Savior. He will do the same thing for you. If that would fit in there, that's kind of cute. Fold it differently. I think it sure might. Okay, so now we've got that in the front. And our cute little key that also looks like a heart. These beautiful beads. What else? Probably something back here. This is where I went through with the thread. So I just cut the little roses out, and I think that's so cute. So I'm just going to put that around there, Lou. And we'll do it on this side as well. Okay, so I crocheted this cute little doily to use in here. And I like it right there. I think that's so cute. So I'm just gonna glue this down, and I might even leave a second little opening here so that we've got a double pocket. Okay, so this little booklet is all finished, and I plan to use it on the inside cover. It's got some cute little tuck spots here for papers, all these fun pages that also have little ones in there, and then this cute little doily I crocheted just for this so that it would be tiny enough. Little tuck spot there and more paper here. Good way to use up your scrap paper, making these cute little booklets as well. And then on my cover, I crocheted this doily as well so that it can grace the cover. And this piece of trim I crocheted, and then I added this piece of stretch elastic. When I know the thickness of this journal, I'll attach it like this. And then when I want to access the journal, I'll just take that off and it'll let me right in. So that is in the works there for the cover. This I'm going to attach somehow in here, maybe a piece of Velcro, because this is a great thing to take with me, Bible studies or a trip, put pictures, tags, little pieces of memorabilia. But I also like it as a flip book in the front. I think that's really cute because I might just leave it here and use it here. And then I still want to come up with something for the back cover, and just make sure before I bind my pages in that I'm not going to add any more bulk. So there we have it. So that was really fun to make, and it was so fun to just use what I had on hand for the stenciling. I think that turned out really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I hope you made one also. Thanks for watching.